Fubu sneakers. These were $15 at Walmart. However, only this color was 15 bucks. The other two colors were 30. So I decided to pick them up. These are size 11. Sadly, this is how the box came in. I went to check out and see if they were what I ordered, and they just whipped open. And this is what they look like. Now, I've had a pair of Fubus before, and they lasted about a year and a half, which I thought was not bad, especially for 25 bucks. I like the color. They have a sturdiness to them. Huh. Original price was $24. I wonder why the other colors said $30 then. Here's the tag. Ankle support, non-marking sole. Laces is 100% recycled polyester. Yeah. This was just a quick review showing Fubu sneakers. Yeah. Not bad. And once again, these were only 15 bucks. They were on clearance. They had two other colors. They had a black and white pair that was really cool. So if those dropped to 15, I might pick those up as well. I don't think those are going to drop anytime soon. So yeah, that's the unboxing for Fubu sneakers. Till next time, thanks for watching.